Hi everyone, it's Carmen Westermay here and looking forward to taking you through TaxCafé 2025. We are going to be keeping everything that made you come to the series in the past. So this really is the Ask Me Anything series. It is bring us your current issues where we aim to workshop with people in practice the real-time technical and technology issues that are working in the tax world, and where you get to drive the content. So based on your questions, we will answer those in these sessions, and we'll also workshop solutions to some real-time practical issues that are being encountered with SARS on a day-to-day basis. I mean, the stuff that makes all of our lives difficult. Look forward to seeing you at those sessions. We've got 11 of them planned for next year or for 2025. And we look forward to seeing you at all of those. Hi everyone, it's Carmen Westermay here again, and I'm here to talk to you about provisional taxes. Now, we all know that provisional taxes are obviously a big part of our lives, and that February is a really, really big date when it comes to provisional taxes. So the aim of this session is to take you through the do's and don'ts of provisional taxes. How do you do your calculations? What do you base your calculations on? Who should be submitting a provisional tax return? And how do you manage provisional taxes in the context of your practice? So I'm hoping to see you at that session on the 5th of February, where I take you through the current changes, the current risk management best practice, as well as just understanding how the penalties work and how you can avoid it. Look forward to seeing you then.